Club sandwich. Hello everyone! To make this beautiful sandwich we will start with homemade toast. You will need 200 grams of milk, 300 grams of water, 23 grams of yeast, 20 grams of salt, 10 grams of sugar, 1 egg and 1 kilo of all-purpose flour. Warm the milk to 40 degrees Celsius and add water and dissolve the yeast. Combine all the ingredients in a stand mixer until the dough is smooth. Then add 70 grams of butter and mix until fully incorporated. Shape the dough into a ball and let it rest for 1 hour. After this time, shape the dough into a long log to fit your baking pan. Fold the dough a few times. Oil the pan, place the dough inside and press it evenly to remove air bubbles. Let it rest 30 minutes. Bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes. To check if the bread is done, poke it in the center with a long toothpick. If the toothpick comes out wet and sticky, let the bread cook a bit longer. If it comes out dry, the bread is ready to be taken out of the oven. If the loaf is too big, divide the dough in two and continue with the recipe. This way you will get 2 perfect toast bread. I am going to cut the top off this monstrosity and turn it into a tasty snack. Nutella is always the answer for soft fresh bread. Where were we? The club sandwich. Slice the bread 1 cm thick, smear it with melted butter, and bake at 200 degrees Celsius until golden brown. Bake the bacon at 150 degrees for 15 minutes. Slice the tomatoes and season them with salt, oregano and black pepper. Build your sandwich with turkey, ham and cheddar cheese. Bake it in the oven until the cheese melts. Spread mayonnaise on the toast. Then add bacon. Add lettuce on the top of the cheese. Stack the layers, then top with the tomatoes, lettuce and cheese. Add mayonnaise to the last slice of bread and enjoy watching it gracefully fall. To avoid this, stab it with 2 skewers and slice it in half. Finish with fries and enjoy. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.